Aloha mai kako, Aramahi here for another Huaʻōlelo o Malama. We've been doing the translation of the mission statement of Partners in Development Foundation. Recall, Partners in Development Foundation inspires and equips families and communities for success and service using timeless native Hawaiian values. And the word that we used to explain that in Hawaiian was Mauli Ola, which means the breath of life, power of healing used to evoke goodwill for healing or to ward off ill effects. There's a statement, old time statement, we say, Kihe kaihu a Mauli Ola. Sneeze at the nose and life will return. See you again next time for another Huaʻōlelo o Malama for Aramahi and Partners in Development Foundation. E ola i ka ʻōlelo Hawaii.